How to add unlimited Snapchatters in Snapchat shortcut. Hello everyone, this is a Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started. First of all, open Snapchat application and for demo take a snap. Then tap on send to, and here as you can see I have already created a Snapchat, and Snapchat allows maximum 200 people in a shortcut. So if you want to add more people in shortcut, you won't be able, as its maximum people is 200, so you have to create a new shortcut. So as this shortcut has been full with 200 people, I have to create a new shortcut. So tap on this add option and tap on new shortcut, and here you can choose a emoji for your new shortcut and just select the people whom you want to add and tap on create shortcut. So you can simply select the emoji and tap on create shortcut and tap on new shortcut. So your shortcut has been created and you'll be able to send your snap to the multiple people. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now, and I'll catch you in the next one.